Everybody is looking for the secret to hard work. But sometimes, it takes a little mischief to find it. This boy chased chickens, pulled the goat's tail, and even threw his shoe into the village well. One day, the farmer said, "Son, come to the fields and learn the value of hard work." But the boy replied, "Work is boring. I just like to eat and play." The farmer laughed. "Let's make a deal. Whoever works harder today will get lattice in the evening." Eyes sparkling, the boy said, "Lattice? Then I will surely win." He plowed, watered, and planted all day. By evening, he was drenched in sweat. The farmer smiled. "Look at all this work. These plants will grow, and that's the true reward of hard work." And that day, the boy learned that the sweetest lattice in life are the fruits of hard work.
Muslim Kids World TV and click the bell icon to keep watching the same good videos.